us going, the hayride's going to leave while the fire's getting going here. So let's go. Tractor's going. Let's go. Ready to get up.
Oh, there you are. Let's go on the hayride. Right here. When you say what bonfire we started. Okay. We're going on the hayride. Okay. There you go.
Go the other way. There we go.
See them all going on the hayride?
My seat at work at 1604 is when Guy Fawkes tried to blow up Parliament was in 1604 and he was sitting there.
Did you give a speech today?
No, I gave my speech. Where were you?
I get my breath.
No, I didn't give the whole speech. I think it was 16. It must have hit his feet.
That's his speech. Yeah, there's a lot more stuff in there to go off.
To go off, yeah?
Yeah, there's a lot more stuff to go off.
It's possible.